Well, it's this time of year, unfortunately, not making so many videos now because it's not much work really. But I've got one here now. It's an old E46. I've been towed in with an immobilizer fault, and I've been told it's a bit dodgy. Like, they've basically tried to fix it themselves. We'll probably end up, usually it's the control unit EWS. You can jump it to activate the starter motor, but you can't start it because it hasn't a rolling code. So it'll transmit this code, EWS it's called. So this code will be different every time, a rolling code to the engine ECU. Then the engine ECU will then send another code back, and that'll allow the starter motor relay inside the EWS unit to click over. And what we usually do is we usually take them off and clone them with a little Chinese tool we have. So if it's that, it'll be great, wouldn't it? We'll be able to clone it. What we need to do first is confirm it, check the faults, if we can. If we can't, probably it's not even in the vehicle tree. I think apparently it's been took out. It's been deleted from the vehicle order, so it doesn't even have it. So let's see that first. We'll probably just clone it. Interesting job for you. But when I get jobs like this every now and then, I think they need to be, oh, look at that. My first let's try and bypass an immobilizer. What's going on there at all? Eh? That's for the starter motor, that, isn't it? Isn't this on these old EWS, isn't that the starter motor output? It is, isn't it? It's basically a bit like the CAS, isn't it? It's like the forerunner to the CAS. So what they've done there is you're basically trying to activate the starter constantly to jump the starter. Well, it'll probably work, but it won't start the engine. It'll spin the starter, but it certainly won't start the engine, will it? So we're gonna have to try and plug this in, aren't we? I'll try not to short them wires out. There's no metal there, so we're all right. We'll tape that up after. Right, so we're gonna give this a go, plug it in and try and match the EWS, yeah? We don't know what's happened to this car. Probably we think the battery's gone flat and it's lost the coding for the immobilizer, but someone's obviously been on YouTube or Google and yeah, just burn the wires back. It'll be alright. To make sure they're not touching. Right then. I think we're alright with that there now. We'll just try EWS matching and see if it works. Data transfer to immobilizer control unit faulty or voltage supplied. No, I'm not going to disconnect the battery, are we? Right, okay. Sheer luxury. This is a real challenging job. Why's the key ended up like this? Is it because what? It's just I don't know what. It's funny, isn't it? Jesus Christ. So that's the antenna. Fantastic. A toroidal coil, isn't it? Basically that. It's called a toroidal coil in modern parlance. And unfortunately, you know what's happening when we turn the key. It's as dead as a door now. So first thing we need to check, have we got two lives? See. One live, two lives, and a ground cables. Not wrong with that wiring, is there? Right. We can't carry on like this. We have to take this key up. So I put this chip back in now, and because the key's all falling apart, but we can't keep trying to hold it together like this. We just tape it up for now. Like I said, the goal is just to get this thing started, because there's no battery in it anyway. I'm turned down by 3 other garages. This one garage give up, and the other 2 wouldn't touch it. They were very sensible not to, but we'll fix it. We always do. Let's get this bloody thing out now. Right, let's go and clone it, eh? So as soon as I got it off the car, it was onto the bench to our AK90 Plus EWS 3, EWS 4 cloning tool. Just set this device here and put it on the old circuit board, and by doing so you can read the data from the old immobilizer control unit, and by reading the data we can then save that file and then simply take our donor unit, our used unit from another scrapyard car, and overwrite the data with the data that is within this chip on this old unit. Reasons for these failing, no idea why. There's no water damage, it just simply stops working. Here we are, quick bench test, and then we start getting straight into the reading process and the writing process. Right, let's plug this cloned EWS unit in, just see if it starts first before we do any matching. So I need to put this back on, don't I? Here we are. Let's get this back in now first, like that. Right, let's see if it starts, shall we? If not, we'll use Think 2 and we'll do the matching. Is that antenna still there, yeah? Okay, nothing happened, so we need to use Think 2, don't we? So now we've got EWS that we didn't have before, right? So what do we need to do now? Special function, yeah? Or just EWS itself. Enter. Yeah, see what fault structure is. It's fantastic, isn't it? So that cloning did the job nicely, didn't it? No fault codes. Fantastic, let's come out of that. Special function. No, right key variant, we don't need that, do we? No, I don't think we need that really. Let's go back out to special function now. And let's match the EWS engine control unit. Ignition on, continue. Let's hope it works, huh? A bit of luck. Adjustment is introduced. Let's see. Oh, nice. Wonderful. So it went to 4 different garages this. One of them tried to fix it. Don't know what they were doing. You know, good on them for trying, but they didn't have the equipment, so basically they couldn't do much with it. And then it took 3 other places. One was a BMW dealer. Imagine being a BMW dealer, someone brings an old car like this, with key all in pieces like it was. So they just turned them away, and then we were the last people really. Well, we managed to sort it, didn't we? So. Well, so just a quick one. I want to get 10,000 followers by the end of the year, so in a month's time. So please do that for me, because I'd love to start 2025 on a positive note after all the crap what's going on in the world in 2024 and beyond. So let's do that. Let's get it done. More fault finding videos. See you all soon. Thank you. Bye.